So we're just doing some fiberglassing over the tape here, doing some molds.
This is how you do it.
This is how you do it. Just making sure the bubbles are out. And he's rubbing it down, getting on the creases there. He calls me a good girl and then he dribbles and one does, oh, my favourite part.
So the reason we put glass on the top of the frame in these spots is because I didn't want to make it out of bog. Now I'll just crack it off, but that'll make it really strong. I've got to put a cut here and then I need to make this so it goes down flat at least, or even slightly angled. And then the hoop will cup over the whole lot. And then I'll do an approximate shape on both sides, making it symmetrical. And this hole here can be adjusted at the end after I've glued the deck down and everything. I wrap the tape around backwards so the sticky side is facing out. So I'm doing some more concreting. There's my formwork. I'm just gonna throw some fiberglass in there and that'll give me a nice edge, and then I'll know what I can do to fill up all inside, whether I can fit pipes and stuff into it for lights or venting, or I don't know. But I don't want to make it solid fiberglass. I've got the shiny side facing this way. I just waxed it, nothing else. I'm pretty sure that will release okay. Okay, that took longer than I thought as well. I'm just capping the ends that need to be capped with flattened out PVC pipe, hot glue gun, just so the bog doesn't go into it when I put it into here. Okay, so these look like bones now. I just roughed up all of the pipe because this is going to be structural as well as vents and bits for wires. I was thinking of putting one of those touch lamps where you just touch it, a touch light there. So this wire will be in here, and then this is going to be an air vent, or I could put lights here, don't know. And then this is going to be for lights. After I fiberglass this stuff in, I'll fill up all the voids with honeycomb and more fiberglass. So I've gone to all this trouble to make the boat sweet. Now this will give me some more structure to play with. After I've got the boat in the water, I'll be able to hook all this stuff up. So I thought I'd make the most of this situation while I've got it open like this to run all the pipes in here. This is what we're doing to stop the resin going down. We're using some Play-Doh. Hopefully it works. I really wanted to recess this plate that was going to go on here, but I'm not going to worry about recessing it. There's too much junk in the way. I'm trying to think how to make the actuator post removable, and I think it's just going to make it more of a pain because I'm going to probably have to scallop out this hole and fix it up after it's all the hulls put down and everything. I'm just trying to get it in the ballpark. So I'm going to make all of this solid fiberglass. We've been trying to beef this up with glass and we're nearly all the way up. You can see there. But I'll probably put some fiberglass sail battens in there and fiberglass them in, and then just fill up these little bits with honeycomb. So now I need to make a hunk of wood that'll fit over the whole lot. I'm going to oversize it so I can use it for the hoop later on. It's gonna squash everything down nice. I'm going to lay some fiberglass on here and then throw some bog on this side of this hoop, because for some reason when I extended the fiberglass out here, it lifted. It's like pulled down for some reason, so it's not level. Easy to fix. And the other thing was, I was originally going to make this two-piece thing so I could just do one window at a time, and it will make it easier if I do that, and especially later down the track if the windows do break or need replacing, I can easily do one at a time. But I think it's going to be a lot stronger if I keep it in one piece. It just might make it more of a pain to assemble, but hopefully I only have to do it once and in a blue moon, but I can always cut it in half later down the track. So to make the piece of wood to squash onto here, I've got no shiny pieces over here and all of it is here, and I couldn't be bothered about moving the boat out of the way so I can cut that, because those are a mission to lift, especially by myself. So this is my bodgy way of doing it. I'm just going to cut it here. This is going to land on the ground. I need this piece and then I need to slice it that way. Look at this squidge. Do you know what that is? No. Is that cool? Reckless with the fiberglass now. I'm sick of fiberglass. If I'd known about basalt cloth ages ago, I would have never have even touched fiberglass. Basalt cloth doesn't make you itchy. Why the heck would anyone bother with this stuff anymore?
Yeah, basalt cloth doesn't make you itchy. It's my favourite.
That sexy looking bug. Okay, once again, if this turns out, it'll be a miracle again. I'm sure it'll be usable, but not sure how it's going to turn out. It's a lot of fiberglass in that. Before I use anything, I've got to fix it. And I'm letting my little son give me a hand. I've got to change the blade over. You okay? I should have said that before I did that.
No, don't do it.
This is like fossil hunting. I made this layer on the bottom of the panel way too thick, and it's gone over the Play-Doh and yeah, you can see the thickness. Oh my God, what the heck did I do? I realised that in order to complete the window area properly, I needed to permanently secure the deck in place. Now the fun begins. Yay!
Hello. Nagkainin na mama.
What do you mean? Yeah, it's good, isn't it? Yeah.
Let's look at the view first.
Okay, well, look at the view. Okay, I'm